Welcome back to Auto Nova, where the future of automotive excellence comes alive. Tonight, under the brilliance of these stage lights, we are honored to present a machine that redefines performance, elegance, and innovation. This is not just another car reveal, this is a glimpse into tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette. Front view, the bold introduction. The show begins at the front. The headlights cut through the stage like precision lasers, sculpted with futuristic detail. The grille sits wide and commanding, framed by aerodynamic edges that channel air with flawless efficiency. Every curve and crease of this front fascia tells a story of speed, aggression, and modern beauty. The 2026 Corvette doesn't just face the road, it stares it down with unapologetic dominance. Left side view, motion in sculpture. As the platform turns, the left profile comes into sight. The stance is powerful yet elegant, hugging the ground with a presence that speaks of authority. The character line flows like liquid metal, stretching from the sharp nose to the muscular rear haunches. The forged alloy wheels sparkle under the spotlight, ready to grip asphalt and command corners. From this angle, the Corvette is more than design, it is motion captured in sculpture. Right side view, balanced perfection. Now the stage reveals the right side, and here symmetry takes the spotlight. Every contour mirrors precision. The sloping roofline merges seamlessly with the side panels, ensuring aerodynamic mastery. The designers have achieved something rare, a balance between raw aggression and timeless elegance. Standing here, the right profile looks less like a car and more like a perfectly tuned instrument, waiting to play its symphony of speed. Engine, the heart of innovation. The hood lifts slowly, and the spotlight narrows to reveal the beating heart of this legend. The 2026 Corvette is powered by a hybrid twin-turbocharged V8, enhanced with electric boost technology. This heart delivers blistering horsepower while embracing the efficiency of a new era. Exposed carbon fiber braces, polished turbo housings, and intelligent cooling vents gleam under the light. This engine bay isn't just machinery, it is a living testament to engineering genius. Interior, the future within. Step inside, and the experience transforms. The interior welcomes the driver into a futuristic cockpit, wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara. A fully digital dashboard projects augmented driving data, while a sculpted steering wheel sits ready for command. Ambient lighting pulses softly, echoing the rhythm of the car's performance. The seats, stitched with red accents, embrace driver and passenger alike, offering luxury and adrenaline in equal measure. This isn't just a cabin, it's a command center for tomorrow's roads. Back view, a lasting impression. Now, walk with me to the rear view. Here lies a sight that demands attention. The taillights glow in razor-sharp LEDs, while the wide diffuser and quad exhaust tips leave no doubt about the Corvette's ferocity. The rear stance is bold, muscular, and unforgettable. As the car speeds past, this is the view that will remain etched in your memory, a symbol of power fading into the horizon. Top view, elegance in harmony. From above, the Corvette reveals its harmony of form and function. The panoramic glass roof stretches like crystal, reflecting the lights above. Sculpted aerodynamic channels run the length of the body, guiding air like a maestro conducting music. From the top, the 2026 Corvette resembles an arrow carved for precision, every line purposeful, every surface alive with intent. Outro, Auto Nova signs off. And now, under a storm of lights, smoke, and applause, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette stands revealed in its full glory. From its fierce front gaze to its powerful rear stance, from the heart that beats beneath the hood to the cockpit that embraces the future, this is not just a car. This is the rebirth of a legend, reimagined for a new era of performance. Thank you for joining us in this exclusive unveiling. This has been Auto Nova, your trusted voice in the world of automotive innovation. Subscribe and stay tuned, because at Auto Nova, every launch is more than a reveal, it's the beginning of a new journey.